If you want to fly with motor plugs and still want the best possible performance, then I recommend using a contact enhancer. It probably doesn't matter which one you use. For example, you can use Stabilant 22 from DW Electrochemicals Limited, which is very economical when diluted and has a fascinating way of working. Or you can use Deox IT from Kaig Laboratories Inc., which is available in different sizes and for different applications. Or you can use NPS Encore from contactenhancer.com, which according to the manufacturer is based on a completely new and unique nanotechnology. Probably any other contact enhancer will also work to some degree to slightly improve performance, or rather reduce the electrical resistance of the plugs and especially improve the corrosion resistance of the motor plugs to prevent or delay so-called contact corrosion. Check out my many tutorials on this YouTube channel, into which I have invested a lot of work. Use the channel search function to find a video or use the playlists. If you want to use motor plugs, then I recommend applying a contact enhancer. That probably gives a bit more performance and reduces the risk of contact corrosion or electrical fretting. Check out my many tutorials on this YouTube channel, into which I have invested a lot of work. Use the channel search function to find a video or use the playlists. A few words about the sponsors of this video. Betafpv, Stabilant 22 Contact Enhancer, Deox IT Contact Enhancer, and NPS Encore Contact Enhancer are the sponsors of this video. This video would not be possible without these sponsors, but this video would also not be possible without your support. Thank you very much for your support on Ko-Fi.com and through the affiliate links in the video description, as well as for your likes and comments that motivate me to keep going. Thank you, my whoop friends.
Some additional information can be found in the video description. Please watch my many other tutorials on this YouTube channel if you want to know more about how to modify a tiny boop or how to learn FPV flying and racing.
Use the channel search function to find a video or use the playlists.